Hello guys, I'm Osman. I'm a cyclist vlogger and I plan to make this Feiyu Pocket Gimbal video unboxing to you all guys, but however I have a more interesting video that, as you can see from here, I broke my camera. Yeah, I broke it. I fall it from my bicycle when I was cycling with speed around 22 kilometers per hour or something, and I'm so glad to say I just cracked my battery cable. The lens is still okay and I can still turn on the device, but I can't use it, maybe some software problem. So I already sent back to the manufacturer to see if they can have some warranty service to me. I'll update you guys later.